Kuble pi baro ngi pedang sngobhai pi chukup khubor mata ka janmit shwaban phaj ki khubor ki babnya ngi pechwai ki mat bakong san Pelat Menteri Ketenaga Communication ke Sarkar Keling Ashwini Vaishnav ia ka sanchar sati portal Pilihan Menteri Ketenaga Port, Shipping, Waterway dan Ayush ke Sarkar Pedeng, Usar Bananda Sunawal yang henriut liki yeng building betmai jangka projek baar ke Nia. Kinong Sumartan Rai jangka jelaru kenyo ika jing mentoy ke baar mar kaju lingba ke jingarap jangka Sarkar India, ong ke Menteri Ketenaga Kokot ke kia ke jelang. But on sa ay ka sarkari ka rai halor ka reservation policy but ka jing pintray kam ka roster system ongi Dr. Amperin Lingdo. Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri Ketenaga Communication ke Sarkar Pedeng Ashwini Vaishnav hinekasngi ula pelat ika sanchar sathi portal ha Dr. Ambedkar International Center New Delhi. Yakini ka program lingba ka jongka video la penlong de ka special DG Telecom jongka Ketenaga Telecom Northeast LSA CTO Building Shillong. Daka jing pelat yakini ka portal menta kinong shnong ki bana ki jaka bakendong jongkari kinla banwat ban yopat yaki mobile phone ki jongki ba ki penja ne syatu. Baro kadai na kajingwan ra jangkat Ketenaga Telekom ke Sarkar India yakini ka sinjam. Kasanchar sathi jangka Sarkar India ka balong ka integrated citizen centric online portal ka bayarap banwat iki mobile phone ki balaja kan sa penyar sho iki jing ai jing shakri jangka hakeleng ki benta jangkari.
आपके सामने जब उसके हक की चीजें
It's basically citizen centric. It will help customers of any company, whether it is Airtel, whether it is BSNL, whether it is any mobile customer of any service provider. Basically, it is for the mobile subscriber. It is for the citizens, for the benefit of citizens. If you want to know that in your name, in your Aadhaar card, how many connections have been taken, through this portal you can just log in and find out.
Menteri Ketenaga Ports, Shipping and Waterways but Ayush ka Sarkar Pedeng, Usar Bananda Sunawal ula play henriut li ki yeng building betmai, kumshi benta jangka projek baar jangka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Nia kanang ban penhe yaka. Kabailut by sep hakabashnai kini ki yeng building betmai lamang palat kumba henru phok lur tingka. Habakran hakani kasngi Menteri Ketenaga Ports, Shipping and Waterways but Ayush ka Sarkar Pedeng Usar Bananda Sunawal ulaong kajing penhe yakani ka jaka puli kanirap shibun hagaban penyari ka rukom ajing sumar dakida waikin bat hakathan kaniya kala sakhi ka jingkiu hakinong wan sha sumar hakibabun ki briw kila yo ban mat ya ka jingkot hakani ka hospital
and which has been all being taken out of the mother earth. Because Mother Earth is kind enough to bless us by rendering lot of component, and out of this component, environment, ecology, all the component of nature, we have been inheriting the knowledge and power and ability and wisdom. And as a result, nowadays, this traditional system of medicine has proved that it is relevant for better health care.
Menteri Ketenaga Kokot ka kia ka jalai Dr. Amperin Lingdo hiningasngi ilaong baka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Nia kadiban penyar shu ikajingwat banyak halor ka dawaikin bat barkirukom Sumartan Rai haga jala. Ila pentip ru baka sarkar kan sa pentikna bakinong Sumartan Rai jong ka jala kin yo markat ju ka jingmentoy na ka jing ai jing rap jong ka Sarkar Pedeng. Ila banjur ru halor ka jing don kam jong kaniya banyali akat bala ban penyar ka jingwat banya halor ki rukom Sumartan Rai ki ba ki jat ban riu garo khasi bat ki jantia ki ju pershang ila ong ru baka sarkar kanyali akat bala bakinong Sumartan Rai kin yo ikalat ban yo jing mentoy na kini ka jaka puli.
You may bring us a traditional practice like the Ayush practice here, We must make sure that people can afford it. And there is big promise that Ayush will now be a part of national mainstream healthcare. It will now be part of the system over and above homeopathy. So we will fight that our traditional healers also get a fair opportunity to benefit from this institution.
Menteri Ketenat Ayush ke Sarkar Pedeng Sarbananda Sonowal ulong baka Sarkar Pedeng kadang perkhat banshna no life khandai tli ki hospital hakathan chatei lamingi kani kanyara ban penklan ye Ketenat Aijing Sumar hakathan chatei lamingi habakren chiklat pathai khubor hashlong Sonowal ulakdo ye ki project penrai baper ki balawan ra ka Sarkar jong Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi haki khandai snem baladep Uni Menteri Laong Shushu ba unsashna sa kumbashi hajat ki health but wellness center ulapan tiknaru bakatnat Ayush kalaminjur banshnai ka hospital hakathan katkum gajing terwa bala ai ka sarkar.
I believe this kind of institution coming up in the near future. We have many more like project in the northeast, and also thousands of health and wellness center will come up, and different 10-bedded, 30-bedded, and 50-bedded as part of proposal sent by the respective state government will set up this hospital. We are working together, both modern medicine and traditional medicine. In all the sectors, this is going to come to make both the system available for the people to take the access of this kind of cost-effective, affordable, treatment.
Usam Board Menteri Rang Baga Jala ubadi kami Ketenat Transport iba sneaw balangdhar hinin kasngi lapane ka kaipot hagabaya day bagajing syakem jong District Transport Officer East Garo Hills Ujin Kelly G Momen daki pulit Assam halor kajing syakano shna thok ekikot kisla kali min hagasngi ublay baladep UDTO jong ka East Garo Hills Ujin Kelly G Momen ula syakem haki pulit Assam halor kajing don kti kajong u ban shna thok ekikot kisla Ubadhar ula kubur badan kam ban pentikna ya kerukom trekam ke Bashai haki office transport hakajala.
That is my suggestion to the DC, to consult with the DCO Assam. Let them form a peace committee between the local people. Why they should try every now and then, which is report to us. Maybe not appropriate for me to tell you what we should do because I have to wait for the report first. Next week or something we have to meet again between us first, because till today we haven't received any order from the court. So we have to see on this. I'm yet to get exactly information news I can do this today, so let me get first what are the actual things happening so I'll be able to inform you.
Kajingbo puar basaw pupra kanta jong kaseng Voice of the People Party bandawa na kasorkar ban pensangi ashuwai kajing thungkam kalapoy siya bakut. Kanong ay ktiyan jong kasorkar MDA Dr. Amprin Lingdo ilaong baka sorkar jala kan sa shimya karay hakabayade bagajing pentrekam yaka reservation policy baka roster system. Yakini karay on sa shim hadien balawan pai Menteri Rangba kajala u Konrad ki sangma bat da kabasya penbor. Kalaong baka sorkar kan sa pentiknaru ba on sa shim yagajing ajing mut jong ki badan benta haringkat bat kiwe de.
This is a matter which is very, very sensitive. We must tread very, very cautiously. It's fine if the member of the opposition puts this pressure on us, but we will take our time in deciding how to take this forward, because this is a very, very delicate matter. We don't want to see it going wrong. We need to make sure that all stakeholders are put on board. We take suggestions from everyone, make sure that these suggestions are looked at technically, and we will take up anything that is going to be positive and constructive.
Mentapat ngin pet ye kajing long jingman kasun beneng hashlong. Kajing shet kalong 4.3 degree Celsius bakajing krat kalong khat 4.1 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka haw kalong 100% na kashispa menstep bat 100% na kashispa jadmit. Kala bandon kajing hap slap haki babun ki benta. Sa sisian ngi penkan mau ye pi ba yekani ko khubor jungi pilaban pe live ha ka jo opor ha ka YouTube channel bat ru pilaban pe yeki khubor ki ba malakasi ha ka Facebook Twitter bat Instagram jo ka DD News Shillong. Shwaban poish ka bakut jong thop khubor ngi ne pe byang sa sisian ni kimat bakong san. Pelat Menteri Ketenat Communication ke Sarkar Pedeng u Ashwini Vaishnav ia ke Sanchar Sathi Portal. Beliau Menteri Ketenat Port, Shipping, Waterway but Ayush ke Sarkar Pedeng u Sarbananda Sonowal ia Henry Utli ki yeng building berthamai jang projek Baar Kania. Kinong Sumartan Rai jong ka Jalaru kinyo ay kajing mentoy ka bamarkat jo limba ka jingarap jong ka Sarkar India ong ka Menteri Ketenat Kopat ka Kya ka Jala. But on sa ay ka Sarkar yung rai halor ka reservation policy but kajing pintrekam yung roster system ong i Dr. Amprin Lingdo. Ti perlok dekitu ki kubor ngila poi jaga bakut jong ketup kubor jong imenta ka janmit hadu bangide syambiang bat pila syai kesngi kuble pi baro.